merong stepmother.
Is it shorter? I want it shorter.
Gusto niya short.
I make it shorter.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
But how much?
Uh,
But you need to make a decision first if you wanna buy or not before they.
not right now.
I think dili sa landa ko na
I'll
siya.
shop later.
But nice ba na kay Pearl no?
Oh, matic pearl.
Pila pud ka na yan ani mo kay Pearl man no. That must be expensive.
Ang kuan na pa ni 300 ma'am. Dala ko pearl. Tagpo.
Pila pud ni?
I send it ang pearl ma'am. Ay.
How
Did you
much
dye
for
for
the
those?
pearl? Is this a real pear? Ay,
Fresh water pearl.
tingnan mo daw Ben. If it is fresh.
Freshwater pearl.
Opo. Tapos yan yung egg pearl. Ito po yung rice pearl po.
Ano?
Kaskas mo lang sir. Kahit kagatin mo yan sir.
I have no idea what I'm doing.
Wala naman siyang tip.
Oh sorry sir. Because if sir, because if the pearl is plastic, this one is a cultured, you can rub this one.
Mm.
It produce powder back to the normal color. Here. Tada ma'am. Normal shine.
Sayang, nabayad na natin sa snorkeling yung ano,
Mai-think ako niya no.
ang 300.
Pwede na ba ako maging si Imelda, ano yun? Imelda Marcos.
Itong old rose ma'am mo. Medyo
Halo mo siya.
Okay. Pwede yung lock niyan.
Oh, I
You
think
can
I
change
needed it.
the lock sir. You can change the
Cause you want some fun with?
Oh yeah.
Is there any calamansi?
Ila ko no, madam.
ang nana price na ko na siya ma'am is 4,000 yun na ma'am.
Kani? Oh my God!
Kay pearl ma'am ba?
Kaya pala hindi ko malak kasi 4,000.
Ini mamo na po'y gamay-gamay nga old book mamo.
Per discount mo po na ako ma'am. Ug ganahan ka ma'am. Pwede na siya nako. Ako na siyang ang gamay.
Give me calamansi.
Okay, Raya. Oy,
Set na
ate.
mo na siya ma'am. Set.
Yeah, I know that.
Sila yung earrings
Sayang,
mo.
nabayad na natin sa boat.
Dangling siya ma'am.
Yung 4,000.
Pwede i-discount.
Kani, di pwede kanilang. Pila man eh.
Asa ang earrings na ma'am?
Pwedeng,
How much is
pwedeng,
Ikaw na ako ng earrings.
pwedeng
500, ma'am.
utang.
Pwede utang sir.
How much the earrings?
500 ma'am.
Oh, why it's too expensive?
Pearl talaga ma'am. Pearl talaga
I
ma'am.
don't need pearl. I have pearl.
Kasi ma'am,
Look, look.
kasi yung ano ma'am, kasi yung ibang mga Chinese ma'am, bumibilingan ma'am, pina-change ng gold yung lock nila ma'am.
Itong ganitong
Parang ako si madam oh.
ma'am. Itong ganitong
I look
pearl,
like a
ma'am.
madam. Ma'am! I'm Imelda
Kung
Marcos.
walang ano sir, pwede nyo lang ibigay sa boat captain sir. Black ma'am. Kasi kilala namin yung boat captain ninyo. Black pearl.
I only like the earrings, but it's too expensive for the earrings.
Ito na pag pearl talaga ma'am.
You don't have not pearl, but
Baka na ito ma'am. Yung may pearl tsaka mother pearl. Crazy cut po yung tawag namin nito ma'am.
asa mo mo ko? Uy, madam, basig mawala ni ha.
May black na mo.
Babe, let's go.
Discount mo na kung ganahan ka ma'am. Ako na po na i-discount ninyo. Mas mayong set na siya ma'am. Nananaman lang.
I don't like this one. Dili po ni 100.
Pearl man at yan.
Madam, ay nice unta siya kaso lang kay mahal. Meron naman akong ganito sa bahay. Bakit pa ako nagbibili no?
Mother of pearl yan.
Meron bang daughter pearl?
Meron bang looks like mother of pearl?
Ito po, mother pearl. Ganyan. Okay na. Yan o. Ako lang sila ma'am.
Mother of Perla.
Sana merong nanay ni Perla.
Nanay ni Perla. Bomb
Itong ganito mamo, hematite stone lang po siya ma'am. Hindi siya
Discount ko na
pearl.
yan. 400 na lang ma'am.
Hindi siya
Para
pearl ma'am.
binamano ko ma'am.
Wala.
Buena mano. I do really like it. It's okay. Nice one.
About you, madam.
I can afford right now.
It's a pearl. Fresh water pearl.
This one here.
Like this.
Okay lang na. Okay lang na, guys. Because I have star right here. It's more than a pearl.
Kuya gusto